Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. This is the 6th of July and I'm taking a sell. My software, as you can see, showed me a system A sell. And this is the 28th of July. This is the account that I started with $250. So far, we have grown this account to make a lot of profit. I've made $10,000 in withdrawal, and in total, we've made over $40,000. Oh, take profits. There you go. We may take profits in less than 30 seconds. This is what happens when you're scalping using system A. Okay, we've made over $44,000 profit so far in the last 3 months. Okay, and we've made $10,000 withdrawal. Remember, if you want to copy my trades, sign up with the link in the description below. Use the broker that I use, Milgram Markets. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500. Join others. There are so many people that have already connected to my accounts. We've already started doing some small copy trades. I haven't been able to take big trades so far because look at the market itself. It's very, very choppy and very messy. All through this week, it has just been news. But if you want to copy my trades, not do any work, maybe you are busy, go to Milgram Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $300 to $350 to $500 in your account, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. And if you want to test my software, which tells me when to buy, when to sell, okay, it does all the analysis for me, tells me the market direction, tells me where to hedge. Hedging is a form of making profits to cover any loss. So any loss you might encounter in the market is always covered with profits, so you don't lose anything, and you can build and grow your account very fast and very quick, compounding very fast, which I have shown, which is why I was able to turn $250 and make over $44,000 profits. My key and my secret tool is hedging, which you can also learn at hedgingmastermind.com. Okay, but if you want to test the software for free, sign up with Milgram Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account. Send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram with your account number, and you get the software. However, if you want to join me live, okay, that means I'll teach you with live scalp trades just like this. We'll do live trades. You'll see us change a loss to profit, and we'll do swing trades. Go to hedgingmastermind.com. With that being said, we'll be right back when we have another trading video soon. We'll just be taking small scalp trades throughout this week until next week, because NFP is next week. But with that being said, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you comment, and yeah, we'll meet in another trading.